Hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I've got something a little bit different. We've got a junk journal. So I designed for this for our Kay last year, and she does a monthly class over in Canada, and whenever I do the big kits for her, I always like to give her quite a bit of exclusivity, so all the girls and everything, when they're making the albums, can work with something a little bit different. So now that they've all finished, I'm going to make a special kit out of this and pop it on the website for everyone to use. This has got a little bit of everything. So this was my inspiration sample that I made to help Kay with the class. So we have, this is the ephemera, and it's the piano solo collection, and it's all beautifully coordinated. So we have your envelope slot for your keepsakes in there. Literally everything works together, so it's all sort of this colour palette on here. It's the peaches and the pinks and the greens, all very, very soft tones, but it all sort of interlinks and matches. So there was elements. So this album itself is a junk journal. It is literally being made out of cardboard packaging. It was made out of, actually, bear with us 2 seconds, I'm gonna grab one to show you. It was made out of one of these boxes. So basically stitch bound, and then decorated. So the leaves themselves, the pages, are actually made out of photocopier paper, and then have been lined with obviously the pages and everything that's in the kit. So I'll have a flick through for you so you can see all the different elements. So there's that they've done in the class. I've contained photos and everything that they've been keeping, tokens from days out, tickets, all. They've just been absolutely amazing. So this was my little version, just to start them off with a little bit of inspiration. So you've got your torn edges here, edges being cut with the really old deckled edge scissors. Little ribbon sliders. Little tags, toppers. So all of the die cut elements that you see on this have all been die cut or embossed or whatever. Those have all been included there in the kit, so just to make sure that all the colours complement each other perfectly, it was all provided for them to delve in and have a really good play. This is just a little one. Some of the ones that they've made are big 12 by 12. So, and then that's the back. It's a little bit bashed, but this has been made for a while. I've been dying to show everybody. So I hope you like it. There will be a version on the website for you to buy, and I have some additional bits to add for you guys as well, because it's not just for junk journaling and mixed media crafts. There's also quite a lot of card making toppers and everything in there as well. So quite a big bumper selection, but I hope you like it. And if you would like to see more on this, I'll go into a deep dive and show you the different dyes and everything I've used. So hope you like it. Please let us know in the comments. And if you're not already a member of our Facebook group, it might be nice for you to pop over and join us there. We're a lovely little community. I will put the link and everything you need to know in the description of the video and in the first comment. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.